In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable background apps in Windows 11. Fixed today. Here, let's begin. Is your Windows 11 PC running slower than usual, using too much memory, or draining battery life faster than expected? One common reason is that too many apps are running in the background even when you're not actively using them. Fortunately, Windows 11 gives you several ways to control background activity and improve performance. First, click the Start menu and open Settings. From the left panel, select Apps, then click Installed Apps. Find the application you want to stop from running in the background. Click the three dots next to the app and select Advanced Options. Keep in mind that not all apps will have advanced options available. Scroll down until you see Background App Permissions. Click the drop-down menu and select Never. This prevents the selected app from running in the background and using system resources when you're not actively using it. Repeat these steps for any other apps you want to disable. Next, let's prevent unnecessary apps from starting automatically when Windows boots. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Click the Startup Apps tab. Review the list of startup programs and identify any applications you don't need launching automatically. Right-click the app and select Disable. Disabling startup apps can significantly reduce background activity and improve startup speed. You can also review app permissions to further reduce background activity. Open Settings again and go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the App Permissions section. Here you can review permissions such as location, camera, microphone, notifications, and other background activities. Turn off permissions for apps you don't use regularly. This can help reduce unnecessary background processes and improve overall system performance. If you want to stop apps that are currently running, open Task Manager once again by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Under the Processes tab, review the list of running applications. Select any app you don't currently need and click End Task. Be careful not to end Windows system processes, as doing so may cause system instability. Once you've finished making changes, restart your computer. This ensures all background app settings are fully applied. After restarting, your computer should use less memory, consume fewer system resources, improve battery life on laptops, and feel more responsive overall. And that's how you disable background apps in Windows 11. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.